Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Furkan Ahmed, FBA IT Services, and today we're discussing about IP camera installation and services. For more update, visit our website, wf88services.com. Installing and setting up IP cameras involves several steps, including selecting the right equipment, planning the layout, and configuring the network settings. Here's a detailed guide to help you through the process. 1. Planning and preparation. Assess your needs. Determine the areas you want to monitor and the number of cameras required. Consider factors such as coverage area, camera types, indoor or outdoor, and specific features like night vision or motion detection. Choose the right cameras. Select IP cameras that suit your needs. Options include dome cameras, bullet cameras, PTZ, pan-tilt-zoom cameras, and more. Ensure they are compatible with your network and recording devices. Network requirements. Ensure your network can handle the additional load. Check for adequate bandwidth and network speed. Consider a dedicated network for your cameras if necessary. 2. Installation. Mounting the cameras. Choose strategic locations for each camera. Mount them securely using brackets and screws. Ensure they are positioned to cover the desired areas without obstructions. Wiring. Run Ethernet cables, Cat5e or Cat6, from the cameras to your network switch or router. If using Power over Ethernet (PoE) cameras, ensure your switch supports PoE to power the cameras through the Ethernet cable. Otherwise, provide a separate power source. Weatherproofing. For outdoor cameras, ensure all connections and cables are weatherproof to prevent damage from the elements. 3. Network configuration. Connect cameras to network. Connect each camera to the network switch or router. Ensure each camera is receiving power if using PoE. Assign IP addresses. Access each camera's interface via its default IP address, usually found in the camera's manual. Change the default IP to a static IP address within your network range to prevent conflicts. Set up Network Video Recorder, NVR. If you have an NVR, connect it to your network and add your cameras. The NVR should automatically detect the cameras if they are on the same network. For configuration and testing. Access camera interface. Use a web browser or camera management software to access each camera's settings. Configure resolution, frame rate, motion detection, and other settings. Test coverage. Check the camera feeds to ensure they cover the intended areas. Adjust the angles and settings as needed. Secure the system. Change default passwords for each camera to secure your system. Enable encryption and set up user accounts with appropriate access levels. 5. Monitoring and maintenance. Set up remote access. Configure remote access if you need to monitor the cameras from different locations. Use a secure method such as VPN or manufacturer-provided apps. Regular maintenance. Periodically check camera lenses for dirt or obstructions. Ensure firmware is up to date and verify that the system is recording properly. Services professional installation. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, consider hiring a professional installer who can handle the setup, wiring, and configuration for you. Monitoring services. Some companies offer 24/7 monitoring services where professionals keep an eye on your camera feeds and notify you or the authorities in case of suspicious activity. Technical support. Ensure you have access to technical support from the camera manufacturer or the installation service provider for troubleshooting and maintenance. Additional tips. Backup power. Use uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, to keep your cameras and network equipment running during power outages. Data storage. Choose appropriate storage solutions for your recordings, whether it's local storage on an NVR, a dedicated server, or cloud storage. Compliance. Ensure your installation complies with local laws and regulations regarding surveillance and privacy. For more update, visit our website, fbaitservices.com. Please click on like and subscribe and follow page button for more updates.